Hello guys and welcome to Microbit tutorials dice. My name is Yaroslav and today we're gonna learn more about Microbit and more about MakeCode editor. So let's start. I'm gonna go to dice and let's start the tutorial. He says we need to make a dice. He says we need to take from input on shake. We don't need on start or forever. We just need on shake now. Next, he says we need to go to basic and drag out the first block, show number. Now next, he says we need to go to maps and take out pick random from 0 to 10 and put it in the number. Next, he says us to make the dice from 1 to 6. Next, he says we have to look on the Microbit in the top left. You can shake it with your mouse, then the number will show up, or you could just press the button shake. Then it's like if you have a Microbit, you take the Microbit and shake it. Now next, it says us to download the program. Now, as usual, click OK and save. Now you see the blinking. Now the blinking has stopped. I'll shake it. There's a number. I'll shake it again. Shake it again. Shake it again. As you can see, our program is working. Now let's click on finished. I have actually an idea. I could just put from 1 to 10. It's cooler because you have more numbers. Now let's shake our Microbit. 4, 4, 5, 5, 10, 8, 3, 5. Let's download our program. Let's press OK and let's press save. Now you see again the blinking. Now the blinking has stopped. I'm going to check it again, check it again. And you can see a number. So guys, everyone who watched this video, please click a like and we'll see us on our next video. Bye.